Are you a student of English literature or language? Or are you any graduate, confused and choosing a career other than traditional teaching? Don't worry. You have plenty of online career options that you can be good at and make money as well. Did you know you could turn out to be an excellent online teacher or tutor of various subjects? You could be a language instructor, a copywriter, an audiobook narrator, transcriptor, or subtitler, interpreter, or translator. Well, if you don't want to be in any of these professions, there is still more. In publishing, you could be an editorial assistant, or copy editor, or proofreader, or e-journalist. Or you could do content writing, reviewing, or marketing. There are also lots of opportunities for digital marketers, video content creators, online coaches, personal trainers, online course creators, virtual assistants, affiliate marketers, and so on. You may also certainly know about professions like vlogger, blogger, social media manager, advertising manager, graphics designer, web designer, photography marketer, etc., which are also fantastic online options. And the best part is, you can become any of these at the cost of a Starbucks coffee. Here in this course, we'll guide you to each profession that you can pursue. See you on the other side of the course.